as you can see, the perfect foundation give you perfect alignment. Once you have done this technique, this level, and you would like to try up level, just only one leg come up, just only one leg come up, and find the balance with the second leg, and second leg will touch the feet and the sliding up with the other leg. Contract the core muscle, engage your glutes, and try to find the balance over here, pointing your feet up. Okay, if you're practicing alone at home, you must try beside the wall or any corner. So your wall is here, so you can touch the heel to the wall and can try, but do not force yourself anymore. Okay, once you're done this practice, this asana, if you have already understand, because we have many levels, step by step reaching the floor to the sky. So what we have to do, we need to come back the same way. Do not come back with a forcefully or jerk. So we have to bend one or two leg back to the knee to the stomach, and one leg going down. Like this, very smooth, very basic. And once you have done, okay, then head will not come up. Normal people's, what we do, whenever we legs down, we come straight away, head up, and we feel dizzy. That is a common mistake. So you need to take a rest over here for a while. Once we are practicing here and taking rest over here, we need to listen our breath first. Second, try to observe yourself. How is your feeling? If you feel so good, okay, feel free to take a rest. If you feel something is uncomfortable, okay, then try to head up and look front. Look front. Stay here for a while, and then head can be down again. Okay, after a while means 1 minute or 2 minutes, can take a rest, and then we can sit comfortable. We do sitting Tadasana as a counter posture. So interlock your finger and on your head. Inhale, palm facing up, stretch maximum, contract your core muscle, lengthen your spine, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. When you inhale up, elbow straight and shoulders lift up. Try to touch your shoulders to the ear, exhale down. 3 to 5 times we can stretch like this. Inhale up, breath normal, exhale down. Okay, once we have done, hands down. Very nice, everyone. Okay, so this is the overall information for the headstand. Level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, or step by step, whatever we have done, all the steps need to follow. Some people might be cannot reach the leg straight away up. Yes, of course, we cannot do it straight away. We need proper foundation. But if you can do some posture that is bring your both knees to the stomach, this posture, it will help you to make you more proper foundation. And leg straight come up is no matter at all, because foundation is very strong. You can do around 25 asanas on the headstand. If your foundation is strong. If your foundation not strong, then we have problem, many problems. Maybe can get injury in the one shoulder, maybe elbow, or maybe some fingers. So it depends on the practice. That's why we need to work with the foundation. And if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know by comment. I'm very happy to help you and give you more understanding, more scientific reason, because I like to work with the scientific reason. I like to work with the foundation. I'm as my career in the yoga teacher career, 17 years, any one of my students has no injury. Everyone has perfect health. No one has injury. No one get injury in my class or in my peoples who follow me, who follow the proper foundation. Of course, if somebody has no foundation and don't want to follow the proper knowledge, yes, it's up to the people. They get injury, of course. So that's why we have to learn how to do step by step headstand. That's we call foundation of the headstand. That is part 1. In part 2, you will learn some another variations of the headstand that I will explain you a little bit in the next class. So feel free to let me know. See you again.